So we were just basically walking to the gym, and then we see this omelette cart, and then we're like, let's try it. And now we're trying it.
This one, and then I have the one there.
Look what we are getting made. That's our omelette for breakfast. You see, I think this is the best thing about Thailand. You can just come here and get everything freshly made. By the way, that's where we are staying. Hi. He's waiting for his omelette. How does it look, Jan?
Looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think you're gonna like it? You see, he's not a man of many words. So whatever I ask him, he's just going to say yes or no. And then there's so many carts. So lovely to see early in the morning. People eat food freshly cooked. So this is the anda that we got from auntie, and I'm going to do the taste test. Anda is anda, but there is a nice Highland taste to it, and it's nice, huh? I think she's put like some soya and some fish oil or whatever. Oh, you did? See? It tastes so much better. Let's go. We're going to the gym now. Actually, we are going to a restaurant to eat some breakfast, and then we are going to the gym. But look how empty it is. This is like early morning scenes of Pattaya, where everything is closed. These people must have worked till like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. and then gone home, while we have woken up at 6 a.m. Isn't it? He has woken up at 6 a.m. I have woken up at 7 a.m. and now we are going to the gym. It's going to rain. Okay, by the way, this anda that you have seen, this omelette, is just for 50 baht. It comes with a bowl of rice and sauces on it, but we obviously didn't want the rice early in the morning, so we got an omelette for 50 baht only, fresh, and I think that's an amazing price. Can you say something to my audience?
It's very good. If
Yeah.
you come here, you should definitely try it.
Yeah, and I have put my foot in all these puddles while recording, so I'm going to look down and walk before I actually wet my shoes more. We're taking the back roads of this place in Pattaya. If you go back 2 roads, there's the beach. Oh, hi! Not very friendly. Yeah, but yeah, so you keep going further this way away from the beach, you get all the gyms, there's more restaurants, there's more bars, there's more nightclubs, there's more so on and so forth. But it keeps getting cheaper this way, it keeps getting more expensive towards the beach. But our gym is right here on the left hand side. This is a market, which is again closed right now because it's 8:30 a.m. Can you say it a little louder?
I said omelette is cheaper than alcohol. So eat eggs and stay healthy.
You heard him. You heard him. Omelette is cheaper than alcohol, so stay healthy.
And eat eggs.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening, but बहुत किरकिर हो रहा है. I think it's the AC, cold water, heat, humidity. AC, cold water, heat, humidity. In and out, so it's just ruining the road. Shit, the roads are busy. This place is always busy with a lot of breakfast people. But we are going there. If you remember from my last videos also, we always used to go there for breakfast at all. There's a lot of people out in the morning, I think going for work, and we are going to eat. That's where we are. See. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we come here mainly for the ambience, okay? Now my husband does what? He doesn't eat the bread that they give us. So he brought his own sourdough bread and asked them to toast it for us. That's what my husband does. He's so cute. He brings his own food even to the restaurants and asks them to like make it his style. See, that's where we work out at Sun Fitness. It's a very local gym, but it's very close to our place where we are staying, and yeah, we like this gym. We worked out here even the last time. Also, as soon as we finish gym, we can go to the market, go to restaurants, we can go anywhere. There's 7-Eleven right down here. So it's a very convenient location, and that's the building that we stay in. That one, that one. You know, in Goa, the best gym in our area costs 2,000 rupees a month. This place in Thailand where we are in Pattaya is probably one of the most normal gyms. It's not the best, like it's not the most high end, and it costs 2,000 rupees a month. But the difference in Goa gym and this gym is unreal. Like, I can show you. This is the cardio section. That's the free weight section and the kettlebell and section. This is another section just for abs and everything. I'm gonna take you around this whole gym. As I said, it's all cut off in sections, and this is just a chill section and lightweight section. This is just where you sit and chill. This is the entrance. I'm telling you, this is like a whole area of cardio. Again, whole area of cardio. Here on this left, this is where everything starts, like the main hard work. And here you go. This is a nice gym. So trust me, if you come to Pattaya and want to work out, come to Sun Fitness. It's really good. Look, this is the name. It's very good gym. You know, the best part about being in any holiday destination is that I get out wearing my gym clothes and just like a shirt, throw a shirt on top of it. So I'm fully set for the day. I went for breakfast in these clothes. I'm going for lunch in these clothes. I worked out in these clothes. You know, it's very easy. And look, my husband, he is patiently waiting. Come. He is so cute. He knew I was just recording and talking to myself. So you were waiting for me to say, let's go, isn't it? Yeah. And now we're going for lunch. Are you the kinds to go to the same restaurant and eat the same food on your holidays? Like Louis and me like sticking to one place. If we get comfortable, we just go there. We try different places, but we are scared that we don't really like so much at many places. So we try and stick to the same place. So last time we found this one restaurant that we used to go for lunches at, and now we're taking you there again. So we're off to eat lunch. Okay, so we are at this place called the Palm. This is the restaurant that we generally come to. It's right opposite the entrance of this tree town, Pattaya, and we always come here for lunch. And look, they have a new thing. He's beating me already. So my husband clearly destroyed me at this game, and now he's taking a break. We are waiting for our food, and we're gonna play another game till the food comes. But yeah, he is so good at this game. He destroyed me. So clearly I suck at this game. Gracefully I have said I'm sorry, thank you very much. I lost 2 games. So now Louis is playing with Bon, and they are going to compete and against each other, while I just walk around, accept my losses. I can't do it. We're actually waiting for our food. Our food hasn't come. We finished 2 games already. I think because we ordered something different, so that's why they're taking time. Finally our food is here. I have started eating already.
This put in.
Okay.
If you want.
Okay, spicy?
Yes.
Okay. That's the spicy sauce.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so that lady said my husband is beautiful, and he is beautiful. Anyways, we didn't take many videos while eating because we don't like filming while eating. So when we want to get laundry done, we come to these places. For 1 kilo, they charge 60 baht. And I don't know what is happening here. Oh, they're selling fruit. That is where we go for our massage, generally. Hey, the food. If I want to wash my hair, I come to one of these places. They do a nice hair wash and head massage. After lunch, dessert to banta hi hai, so we have just taken papaya. Here you go. I think I'm gonna have mango as well. Maybe for later. Can I get one mango also, please?
Okay.
Location is just perfect. I don't know if many of you know where this is, but this is right next to the Festival Plaza. Sorry, not Festival Plaza, that's in Dubai. Central Plaza in Pattaya, Main Beach Road. This is the building that this is the second time we are staying here?
Second time.
Yeah.
You can walk.
And we just Love the location. That is the night market, and this is the Pattaya Tree Town or whatever, beer town or whatever it is called. But this place is amazing. Everything is at the doorstep. So we love this location. We went back to the room just for about 5 minutes, and here we are. So basically this is pretty much what we every day do when we are on a holiday on the beach. We either go to the beach or we are at the pool. Today we decided we're just gonna chill by the pool all day, walk around, show you guys around. Here I am going to read my book and chill. Look at my husband. He is so cute. Okay, so it is 3:20 p.m., 3:30 p.m. and we have just finished our pool session and we are off to getting massages. Okay, so this is our room for the next 28 days, which I will do a tour of soon. Right now, we are going to get a massage. Okay, so this is one movie that I'm watching. It is by Yes Theory. It's on their channel. Please, please, please go watch it. Yes Theory, I love you guys. You are amazing. And this is amazing. Go watch it now. I told you where we live. One side goes out to the beach and the other side is towards the night market and restaurants and shops and everything. So here we are going towards the beach road. And this gate you can't open without a key. So you need to have a key to open the gate. And I don't know why it's not opening. There you go. Done. You see, this is the road that we are on, and a massage center, which is basically a place that we went to last trip. So we remember it from then, and we're getting the sports massage. So basically we are going to cry. Look there. I love how Pattaya comes alive. Actually, any place comes alive in the evenings, but this place, you'll start seeing all the carts and everything starting in the evening. This is one of the markets that is always there. They are ready for the rains. Rains have already started. Not so much. I mean, it's not so heavy yet. But I think in the next 1 or 2 weeks, we're gonna have a lot of rains. You can't really see the sun. How much ever you don't want to shop at these places, you still end up buying things. Isn't it? It's crazy. It's just like so inviting all the time. And then bikes for rent. We don't use bike or cars. We always use these local transportations. Okay, that's where we are going. The Natural Beach Hotel. That's where we are going for our massage. Hi. I want the sports oil massage.
Yeah.
Actually, both. Full body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. This is the place that we have always come to, and now we have come back to this place. It's very nice, and they have all the way in the back their rooms. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. just finished our massage and oh Bhagwan, the Didis went at it and how. We got sports massage done and it was very good. Now we are looking at buying street food, that is papaya salad on the street. So we're going to look for that so we can just eat papaya salad for dinner because we are not very hungry. We've eaten quite a heavy lunch. What say you? Okay, so basically we are just trying to complete our 10,000 steps. Yeah, so this is what we do every evening, isn't it, Janu? Every day. I know a lot of people might think, oh, so boring, but we enjoy it. We love it. She's laughing. So basically, she saw me making faces and then she started laughing. Oh, look, there is a market there also. Shit, there's a lot more markets than last time. Yeah. Everyone is out and about now. In the evening, you'll see this place starts getting crowded by the minute. Ye dekho. Beautiful. I just wish it was a clear day so we could see a nice sunset, but it looks nice. Hi. You see what happened? I always forget to take videos. Okay, sorry. We went to a cart there and got ourselves a papaya salad. And now we're gonna sit by the beach and eat the papaya salad instead of walking and eating. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna enjoy the sunset, which there is no sun because I think, and it's set already because there's no sun. Anyways, we are enjoying our papaya salad. I hope you had a good time today with us. One of the days I will make more and more videos. I know I don't know if I'm lazy, but I don't know. It's a lot of hard work to make YouTube videos, and I am going to try my best to keep entertaining you guys. Thank you for the reminders all the time. To whoever messages me, DMs me on Instagram, thank you so much. It is because of you. Bye. I'm gonna finish my vlog here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meghna Naidu One Life Live It. Anything?
Bye.
Bye.